Here's my completed custom EMERBU / BOHAN SLR. If you watched the build video, I basically told you everything that was going to happen, and now we just got it all put together and ready to go. So kind of went with this hex pattern throughout. Since it already had that hex mag, I thought let's incorporate that in. Easy to find a lot of different hex designs when you're 3D printing that are made specifically for airsoft and gel blasters, so you can just resize them as needed. Made a nice custom kind of piece here, kind of cheek riser / just kind of stock embellishment, I guess we'd call it, that fits over the top of that stock. I really like the pistol / the beaver tail grip that comes on these SLRs. And then I wanted to make it kind of have an MK8 / M4 look. So went with the sights from that, and you can see I added the front end. So we got an MK8 handguard here with the SLR, which fits on nice. I had to couple together the outer barrel on the inside so that we could go ahead and incorporate this piece, right? So that's actually attached to the handguard, and then that slides in through there, and went with a hex style amplifier / fake suppressor type thing on there, and a nice little hex style grip here. So got a cool optic on there as well, a canted optic, because I wanted to be able to maintain the two sights. So that's a nice optic from CV Life, and CV Life is on Amazon, and they've got a lot of reasonably priced optics. And I did finally put up a nice list on my Amazon page that has a lot of cool optics that you can check out that are all in the sub $50 range, because I don't think it makes sense to buy more expensive ones than that for gel blasters. So lots of lasers and stuff on there. Put the little logo sticker there, and otherwise, I like to make those little decorative plates, but since the SLR already has some stuff going on the receiver, didn't do that here. Nice sling here. This is from Soma, I believe. Again, another brand on Amazon. Overall, very happy with how it turned out. I did a big spring upgrade as well. Went to an M100 spring, which is definitely kind of pushing the limits on these. You're going to wear things out faster if you go to M100. M95 is probably the safe bet on these. Even with the metal gears and everything, you certainly can do what I did here, go M100. You could even go M110. Just know you're definitely going to wear things out faster and break it sooner. But parts are easy to get for these V2 gearboxes. And I always like to say, any gel blaster, regardless if you modify it or not, if you use it enough, you are going to wear parts out and need to service it or replace parts. So just decide what your ability is to deal with that, and your capability in making those fixes when it comes to how kind of crazy you want to push these blasters. Overall, though, I do really like the looks of it. I think it looks really cool. Of course, I went all black this time. But I definitely like the looks of it. I do like that hex pattern. I just think it's used a lot. I haven't done it for a while now, but I've definitely done it in the past. And like I said, there's a lot of cool stuff out there when it comes to 3D printing with the hex design on it already. So check out EMERBU Toys, emerbutoys.com, where you can get them on Amazon if you're in states where Amazon will still ship gel blasters to, because that's all changed over the past year. They have a really cool AKMS kind of underfold style AK-47 that will be available soon. You can see it on Amazon now, but you can't really order it. And they also have a nice MK18, a C-Gun MK18 that will be available soon too. So EMERBU keeps coming with some cool blasters, and of course they're always going to have metal gears, upgraded motors, just all upgraded components. So they're pretty good out of the box, which is if you're looking for something you don't want to do too much with, that's definitely a good blaster to go with and a good value. Comments, questions, post them below. Of course, like, subscribe, share my channel with your friends, and make sure you participate in those monthly giveaways on my YouTube channel, where you can win over $200 in blasters and accessories every month if you take part in those contests. And of course, check back for the demo videos so you get to see this one in action. Thanks.